Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Xiaomi Smartband 10, and on this video we are going to compare it with our Huawei Band 10. So we will check the design, the specs, as well as the offered features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Xiaomi Smartband 10 and the Huawei Band 10, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and compare the two fitness trackers. So we have here the Xiaomi Smartband 10 and the other one is the Huawei Band 10. As you can see here, both do have a sporty look but different approach when it comes to design. We do have here a capsule-like body frame for our Xiaomi Smartband 10, while for our Huawei Band 10 we do have a rectangular form. For the materials, we have an aluminum alloy and ceramic frame for the Smartband 10 for the Xiaomi. What we have here is an aluminum alloy. For Huawei Band 10, we do have a polymer case. We have here is the polymer case, and for a premium version you can get the aluminum case. And obviously, as you can see here, we do have a curved body frame for the Huawei Band 10. The same style for the Xiaomi Smartband 10 with the Xiaomi Smartband 9, just straight with a slightly curved edge here, or rounded edge for the Smartband 10, Xiaomi Smartband 10. So which do you think is better when it comes to the design? For the strap, both do have a flexible silicone strap with the snap-on style. Just press and it will be locked. Press to remove, push to attach. The same with our Huawei Band 10. Press to remove, then if you want to attach it, just push. Both do have a pogo pin magnetic charging cable with a USB type A. As you can see here, we do have a PC back cover, the same with our Huawei Band 10. For the width, let's see. Our Xiaomi Smartband 10 here has a, let's see again, 23.4. Let's make it sure. We have 23. I think 23. 22.6 something. On the specs page, it is 22.54. We have here 22.4. Then for our Huawei Band 10, it is much wider. We have a 25.0. For the thickness, we have 9.0. For our Xiaomi Smartband 10, we have 11.5. So for the slim factor, it goes to the Huawei Band 10. For the weight, with the strap attached, let's see, we have 27.26. For our Huawei, we have 29.09. So much lighter for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. But if we remove the strap, let's see, we have 14.08 for the Xiaomi Smartband 10. Remember, we do have 14.0. For the Xiaomi Smartband 10, we do have 15.96. Again, 14.08, 15.95. Okay, so 2 grams plus 2 grams for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. Again, let's have a side-by-side comparison of the wearable. We do have a physical button here for our Huawei Band 10, while for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, we don't have a physical button. The back on the other side. For the specs, let's check it out. So for the specifications, the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 do have a 1.72-inch AMOLED screen display, while for our Huawei Band 10, although it has a wide body frame, it only has a 1.47 screen display. For the pixel resolution, 212 by 520 pixel resolution, 194 by 368 pixel resolution. Bluetooth 5.4 for the Xiaomi Smart Band 10, Bluetooth 5.0 for our Huawei Band 10. So 21 days of battery life. We do have a 14 days of battery life for our Huawei Band 10. Both do have a 5 ATM waterproof rating and compatible with Android and iOS. This one, it is using the Mi Fitness app. The Huawei Band 10 is using the Huawei Health app. When it comes to ease of installation, I like the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 compared to the Huawei Health. Again, here's the design of the fitness tracker and the specifications. So which do you think is better in terms of design and specs? Drop a comment below. For our next video, we are going to compare the menus and features of both fitness tracker.